Sitting here in this bed, thinking about the times we spent. Boy, I really love you, but you don't seem to care. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, today I'll be doing a cooking video, something simple. I'm going to be doing some brown stew, chicken breast and white rice, just to fill my tummy up a little bit. Please make sure you guys stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with a friend, comment down below what other video you'd like me to do, and don't forget to turn the post notification bell on. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So guys, as you can see, there's the chicken and some of my seasoning. I'm about to cut up the chicken right now and put it into a bowl. So stay tuned. Just need to get a bowl. Here's the bowl. I'm gonna rinse it out. I'm about to start cutting. I'm about to cut this up now. Baby, when we together, you make me feel so complete. Can you stay up all night? And the way you've been kissing, touching, and loving on me. You make me feel like such a queen. You make me feel like you're a queen. Yeah. So guys, as you know, clean your board after you finish with the chicken, and you don't want to mix the chicken with the seasoning. And now you're gonna wash the chicken with vinegar and water. Is there no vinegar on this?
There's apple cider vinegar right there. Brown stew breast. The right
so, guys, wash. I only 2 porridge left. My phone case.
What do you mean you 2 porridge? What me porridge there when my wife make? What do you drink out porridge for me?
That's my father in the background complaining about porridge. Show him.
What do you mean? What is?
As you guys can see, I'm washing the chicken.
What is?
Coming with them hungry self. It's cold outside. Can you close the door?
What is there for this?
Gotta wash your seasoning. No dirty seasoning around here. And then we'll cut them up. I don't want a lot of tomato. That's not why I put a little tip for the flavor. Baby, when together, you make me feel so you've been kissing, touching, and loving. I need one. Mikhail!
Daddy, close the door. Dang.
Mikhail! Mikhail! Oh. Daddy, you can pass to Shalii and the fridge, please.
Yay, and I had just went out too.
Y'all don't mind my noisy family. You can pass to Shalii and the fridge, please. Shalii said record, so I can't make you do it. Come on, sir!
Somebody close the door. My legs are really cold right now. I'm wearing shorts.
What you say? these are the seasonings I'm about to be using. Black pepper, all-purpose, Creole. You know we Jamaicans like to use a lot of seasoning, salt, browning, and I already have those cut up. So when I'm finished seasoning, I'll let you guys see. Who you talk? When I trouble you?
So right now she's seasoning the chicken.
Yes, Michael.
When I trouble you already. Ooh.
Oh, they not really. Oh God, that stinks.
Is that burning nose?
Yes. Look, guys, it looks brown now.
The pool is frozen.
Huh?
The pool is frozen.
Show on the Ali on my camera.
Come on.
Huh? Or like I put it on my camera.
Pool is
This is our lovely mother who doesn't have to cook today.
Alright, come over here. So, guys, I'm gonna have to wash the rice pot. So, guys, I'm washing the rice. Here, and then show them the meat before it's done seasoning.
Oh, we finished seasoning the meat. Look how delicious that looks. If the vegetable wasn't in there, it already looks cooked. But it's not yet. So that means it gets better.
I'll be back, guys, when show me. I'll be back, guys, when I'm finished, like putting everything on the stove and stuff. So, see you soon. Waiting for the oil to be hot so I can put the chicken in, and the rice over there. So yeah, guys. I don't know who left the fridge open. Did I? Oh yeah, I need to put the butter back in. Almost doesn't count. Sorry for the moving around, guys. I'm trying to get stuff in place. So yeah, that's basically it. I'll check in with you guys soon. So guys, while I wait for the oil to be hot, what are you guys up to? Comment down below. Let me know what you guys had for dinner today. Today is actually Saturday, February 11 or 12. I'm not sure, but just stay tuned. When I put all the chicken in the pot and the rice reach somewhere, I'll get back to you guys and let you see where I'm at. I hope you're enjoying this video. So as you can see, the oil is hot, guys, because it's flared up. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the chicken. Woo!
Everybody.
So guys, while this is steaming down, while this is frying up, I'm over here readying this to put in there. You know, I don't, and I'm gonna add some ketchup to it also to make it even better. So just stay tuned. So you guys know it's good to clean up after you wash. So while the food is cooking, I'm gonna be cleaning up, guys. My dad being silly.
What's up, dog? Guess what? My daughter is old, man, and guess what? She's cooking stew, chicken, and rice. Can you imagine that? Oh my God! I know it's gonna taste great, man.
Bye-bye. Guys, don't fame anybody. It's okay. Guys, while that is cooking down and ooh, steam, the rice is almost ready. Oh, let me shake it up a little so you guys can see better. Ooh. So going good so far. So guys, here is the finished product. This is my brother's food. I'm not ready to eat it because I kind of feel full, but let me know what you think. Thank you for watching my video. Please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share with a friend. Shali's out. Thank you. Still in love with me, like the way you claim to be. Am I still your babe?